Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great, you see it back there, Sunshine State of Florida, and to another vlog. So right here, this is my 79, it's a K10 because it's a four-wheel drive truck. Moving it from here to a different area so I could start. This is gonna be, after I finish with my car and stuff, this will be like the next major project. So I'm looking for some ideas. As I said, it's a K20, so it's a four-wheel drive, but I really wanted a two-wheel drive so I could slam it on the ground. But if I can't trade it out for a two-wheel drive, I'm gonna just keep the four-wheel drive and put a light lift on it, because me personally, I think it'd be crazy to slam a four-wheel drive truck. That's just me personally. So yeah, definitely next project right there. Well, it's already there. It got a small block 400. Already had some parts for that. So I'm gonna pull the engine, pull the cab off. I'm gonna go a little bit, get you guys a little bit closer. What I'm trying to do is I'm gonna try and I'm trying to get a completely different cab altogether, because originally it's what is it? It's a Colorado truck. So I don't even think it has AC, but I'm not sure. But yeah, there it is. So I'll give you guys a quick walk around on it. So there it is. I have it loaded up on the trailer. As you can see, the cab, you could get those panels replaced. It have some other spots on it, but what I want to do, as you can see, because you could buy different pieces and stuff like that, but what I really want to do is just get another cab all together. This is a one owner truck. It has, he put a thing on there, it has like 72,000 original miles on it. So, but I am gonna pull the engine and rebuild the engine. It has the blue interior, which I don't mind. The only interior I really don't like is the the burgundy one. But I think a lot of these parts are salvageable, so I'm gonna do that. Of course, all the trim, I'm gonna keep all the trim, save that. I don't like these mirrors, I'll change that mirrors. And the good thing, what I really like, as you can see, it's a short bed. No matter about that bumper that's coming off with the roll pan. I've already, look, little lizard. I've already checked out some parts on it, on like LMC truck. I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the same colors. I like the color. I like the two-tone color. This one I already have. There's a guy who had some doors that I might be getting from him. But as you can see, I said these, you could get these cap corners easily. Well, not the cap corner, but the cap corners are usually gone. But you buy these rockers. But I'm gonna see if I could just go ahead and get the whole cab replaced. The frame and everything else is straight, it's good. It's never been in any accidents or anything like that. Everything is all original to it. There's the grill in the front, it looks mean. Let me step up here and kind of show you. So like right around the windshield, you can't see from this angle because of the sun. The sunny state of Florida. You can see from the windshield, it's got some what's it called, some rust around that. So that's why I want to do the cab. It got the lockers. It has the dual tanks. I'm not sure if I'll keep the dual tank set up, but I'll take as you can see, the frame is straight. The frame isn't too rusted. It's just, as I say, it just looks, you know, used. It's just dirty, but the frame is good. It looked like the frame was coated with something from back in the day, and all that's coming off. Good frame, straight body for the pieces I could save, because look at it, perfect. The fenders are good. As I said, the front end is good. I probably still would have to replace the hood. The hood have a little bit of marks. All the lights. So the lights are good. We'll just have to see how that goes once I take them apart. And whichever pieces I'm not gonna use, I'll probably go ahead and sell them and put the money back into the truck. As you can see, like the tail lights, those are good. We just have to clean everything up. Look at this trim right here. This trim's in perfect condition, and these things go for top dollar. So I'm not keeping the bumper. I don't like the chrome, so I'm not keeping the bumper. But yeah, other than that, that's the next big project vehicle that I'm going to be working on. I'm not sure when I'm going to start. As I said, I want to finish the car completely first before I dive into anything major like that. But there go the tow beast, and then there's that truck. But it's hot out here. Let me finish strapping it down, get it to its new location, and have him hibernate until I'm ready to work on him. And again, guys, thanks for rocking with me. I'm still trying to recover all my data that I lost on my videos, intros, and everything. I think my cousin, he's helping me out, so we'll see if we get all that stuff. So appreciate all the help with the hard drive issues, but I think my cousin got it under control. And as usual, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, comment on the videos, and that's gonna be the next build. I'm gonna need a name. All my vehicles are named after gladiators. What's this one should be called? Until the next time, guys, see you in the next video. Peace.